Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
Alright, and welcome back to the channel, Preloaders. So, today we got Pokemon cards that are coming out McDonald's. So, ended up making this list right here of all the McDonald's in my area. I'm going to be checking out every single one and trying to get some Pokemon cards. Now, some of them is going to be charging me for buying like the whole Happy Meal, and some of them won't. So, we're gonna get it and see if we can get our hands on some Pokemon cards from McDonald's. So let's get it. Alright, so we're gonna head down to our first location down here, which is fairly close by my home. We're gonna see what they got to offer, and if they make us buy the Happy Meal, then I'm gonna go ahead and buy a couple of Happy Meals. If they don't, that'd be a bonus. So it's just right down here, and then hopefully they have these cards there. Like a year since they released Pokemon cards at McDonald's. That's why I was surprised to find out that they were doing it again. That's pretty crazy how we have to go to different locations for Pokemon cards. I should turn it over here. First location. I'm gonna go in there and see what they have to offer. Fine. I was wondering, you guys have those new Pokemon cards, right?
Not at the moment, I don't think.
Oh, wow.
I can check real quick, but
okay.
I don't think it comes until maybe next week.
Oh, I just called yesterday and it's supposed to come out today.
Today?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll check in the back, see if we have any, but if we don't, I don't think I'll need them. Alright, here we are.
Awesome, thank you so much.
Yep.
Alright, so we made it to our first location, which is central entrance right here. And I managed to get 4 of them, as you can see here. Wow, look at that. That's a pretty fancy box they got there. And for these 4, I ended up paying $7.96 right here, just for the toys alone. And they limited me to 4 of them. So that's pretty awesome that I didn't have to buy the Happy Meal. And actually they don't even have breakfast Happy Meals, so I don't know how they're gonna do that. Some locations probably gonna be like won't serve them until like lunchtime. So let's hit up our next location here. I believe I'm gonna head over to London Road, I believe. Let's go down there and then make our way up eventually. Ooh, it's like 7:55 in the morning. I'm gonna head down to London Road here on the east side of Duluth. They got a McDonald's down there. CTS4. That's pretty fast. Discount Tire is open over here, and we got a couple stores Been having some cloudy weather over here, some fog too. I think this whole week's supposed to rain. It's some bad weather. Alright, rolling down 6th Avenue right now. Chipper on right behind us. Oh, I can't believe we're in August already. Summertime over here is practically over. See, the weather is dropping to like 60s, maybe highs of 70s around here. Feels like it just started. I can't believe it's over. We want to go inside here, so I'm gonna go around here. Looks like a one-way traffic. Everybody's out getting breakfast. Usually I come down that hill right there, which is 21st. Man, they got it blocked off. The other one's pick up, and this one's not. Look at the big old sign they have. Man, I wish I could get my hands on this thing. This thing is sick. Let's play match battle. And also this one's pretty nice too. Man, a big old display. Saying it's back. Sweet. Check it out. They got this display over here. Oh man, that is nice. Alright, so we made it to our second location. Now this one, for 5 of them, they only charged me $1 a piece. Which ended up getting 5 boxes here, as you can see. There's this Victini on here. That's pretty sweet. And then also I asked for the Pikachu Happy Meal boxes. Look at this, where you can just rip the tail, pull it out. That's pretty awesome Happy Meal box there. They ended up giving me 5 of those for free. So all in all, this is a pretty awesome place. They barely charged me for them, you know. Over at London Road. Alright, let's head over to our next location. Alright, headed over to our 3rd location over here. Right here off of Grand Avenue. Ooh, Sammy's Pizza over here. Welcome. I'm gonna bust the U-turn and go around. This parking car. This sucks over here. I wonder if I should just park right over here and walk in. Let's do that. Alright. look at the sign I just saw here. Ensure Happy Meal access. Limits will be Happy Meals limit of 10. Pokemon cards limit of 5. Crazy. Alright, so we just went to our third location. Ended up getting 5 more, as you can see here. This time we got this Pikachu one. This is pretty nice. This one has a number 1 instead of the number 2 Victinis. And over here, they ended up charging me $9.95, I believe. Oh, it was $11.06 after tax. So every single McDonald's, they ended up charging me different. So every location's gonna be different. All right, let's head over to our 4th location over here. All right, so we're gonna take a detour and we're gonna head to another location, which is Proctor, Minnesota here. There it is, McDonald's with the holiday sign there. FedEx truck here. Are they here to drop off Pokemon or what? And this one's got some advertising on here. As you can see, there's a Pikachu at the window. This one, they just renovated it. It's pretty nice. McDonald's in Proctor. This is the only display they have over here. It's a match battle. Alright, so I ended up going to this Proctor one. You see here, they charged me $10.89 over here for 5 of them at this location. And we ended up getting the Pikachu ones from this one, number 1. So that's crazy that the other locations we're getting the Victini one, which is 2. And over here we're getting these Pikachu ones. Bam. Alright, we are at our 5th location here. This one is in Hermantown, as you can see here, right next to Menards. So let's go in here and check it out. Oh man, I gotta turn this down, get copyrighted. Such a pain in the butt to get copyrighted. I freaking hate that. There we are, and they got some display stuff going on here. Here's the display over here. Pretty nice. Alright, so just stopped in at our 5th location here over in Hermantown here. I got 5 of the Pikachu ones, as you can see. And this place over here, they ended up charging me $4.88, which is a steal. That is awesome. All right, as you can see there, this is our 5 locations we went to today in my area. So you can see the first stop we made there was the central entrance one. They limited me 4 over there and charged me $8.85. And then we headed over to London Road, as you can see here. There's a limit of 5 over there. They ended up charging me $5 over there. And after that, we ran over to Grand Avenue. There's a limit of 5 over there. They charged me $11.06 over there. And then after that, we headed over to Proctor. They charged me $10.89 for a limit of 5 over there. And at our last location is Hermantown over here. And there's a limit of 5. They ended up charging me $4.88 for that. So as you can see, different areas, they charge different prices. So make sure you get out there and go find some Pokemon. I just got off of work in the food truck here. It's late afternoon here. I want to make another round over here. Grab some more cards.
Welcome to McDonald's. Is you using your reward code today?
No thanks.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, can I just get a large iced sweet tea? And then
Of course.
also could I get 5 of the Pokemon cards just by themselves?
Hold on 1 second.
Yep.
Yes, and just so you know, 5 is the limit for how many you can purchase.
Okay, and then I was wondering, by chance, is there a way that I can get 5 of the Happy Meals, just the boxes? Could I pay for that?
Hold on 1 second.
Okay.
Let me get my manager.
Okay.
Welcome to McDonald's. Using your reward code today?
So the smallest fry we sell, if you're not buying a full Happy Meal, is a small. You can still put it in a Happy Meal box if you'd like.
Is that you're talking about like a small Happy Meal?
Huh?
Are you talking about like a small Happy Meal or
A small Happy Meal?
or how much are you thinking about for the boxes by itself? Or can you only just give me 1 box? Like I just want to save those the Happy Meal box if I can get it, but if I can't get it then it's okay.
You know, we'll just give you Happy Meal boxes with the pack Pokemon toys.
Okay, awesome. Could I get those boxes unfolded, please?
Yeah, for sure.
Awesome.
Have a good day.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Anything else I can for you?
Nope, that should be it.
Alright, effective correct at the 1317, that first window.
All right, thank you. So that is it for 5 locations around my area. So make sure you get out there and get some McDonald's Pokemon card. Until next time, peace.
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.